Hi guys, this is 𝗦𝗶𝗱 from Language Academy, and today I'm here to talk about oral fluency. Your speaking section is marked on 3 parameters: oral fluency, pronunciation, and content. So today I'm going to give you a few pointers on how you can boost your oral fluency scores. Now basically, oral fluency means the smoothness of your speech or the flow that you have in your speech. Number 1 is no hesitations. You have to make sure that you speak clearly and confidently and do not have any expression of doubt in your speech. Number 2 is avoiding unnecessary pauses. Now in day-to-day life, we have a habit of phrasing the sentences and then speaking. But this is a technical exam. So the computer here is not going to understand your expressions or your phrases. So make sure that you minimize your pauses, be it any task that you're performing. Number 3 is no repetitions. Now it is natural for us that if we miss something, we go back and we repeat it. So here we have to make sure that we do not repeat the same word or the same phrase again and again. This is going to surely impact your oral fluency scores. Next is don't correct yourself. This is very important, guys. Now, as humans, it is natural for us to correct ourselves if something goes wrong. But here we have to make sure that we do not do that. If something goes wrong, you have to just let it go. Do not let that affect your score. The last one is maintaining a moderate speed. It is very important for us to maintain one speed in the entire speaking section, and it cannot be very fast or very slow. You have to make sure that you understand what a moderate speed is, and you have to speak with that speed itself. Now that is how the computer is going to understand you better. So make sure that you maintain a normal speed. Last but not the least, guys, you have to make sure that you stay calm throughout the speaking section. Do not panic. I understand that speaking is the first section and all the anxiety and all the panic comes in when you start performing this task. But make sure that you take a deep breath and you relax before starting your speaking section. This is the main thing that you have to keep in your mind. Stay calm. Another important thing is don't forget to take feedback for your speaking tasks from the trainers. That will help you understand what is going wrong and how you can improvise. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact us at Language Academy and we will be happy to help you. See you soon. Thank you.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.